With the cost of living at an all-time high and certain clients and careers not being as reliable as they once were, is it now more than ever that designers are under pressure to find different sources of income and really see where they can make more money? Or maybe you're a designer that simply thinks, 2024 is my year, I want to quit my job, I want to go traveling the world, and I just want to go and enjoy my life. Possibly you really have a good job and you really enjoy it, but you still want to earn more money and have a cushy life at home. Well, at the end of this video, you'll know exactly what passive income ideas are available to you so you can start today and build your design empire in 2024. So let's get into it. My creative friend, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, my name is Ritesh. I'm a creative director for one of the largest edtech companies in the world, and I have roughly 11 to 12 years experience in the design industry across marketing, advertising. I currently work in an app company, so I have my fair share of experience in all the different income streams a designer can make. And as the years have gone on, in 2024, I've decided to look into more income streams that I can add to my, arsenal, mainly to grow my income and make my life easier so I can enjoy the things I like to do in life, like go on holiday and travel the world. And at the end of it, just do the things I enjoy. And I'm looking at all the different income streams a designer can have. And potentially, if anyone wanted to learn design, they could also have these income streams as well. And once I find out this knowledge, I'm going into all the details, I'm sharing this knowledge back to you creative legends. The reason for all this research is to rely solely on clients or your career and wondering, what if that source of income just disappeared one day? Would I have to then look for another job or find more clients? And sometimes it's not that easy to do that. And as some of you may know, and I myself know. And then I've always dreamt, what if I could just make money in my sleep and wake up one morning and just see that my bank account had gone up by 1,000 to 2,000 to 5,000 pounds a day. Who knows? And today I'm going to share with you some of these amazing passive income ideas that I'm looking into for myself. And these ideas can make any designer financially free if done properly, of course. So let's get into it with section 1. What is passive income? So first off, let's actually talk about what passive income actually is. Passive income is money you earn on a regular basis without having to put any or much effort into it. Just imagine for a second you have a money-making machine that just run in the background while you could focus on things you like you potentially have a career or a family, or you just want to go traveling and you want to travel abroad and enjoy your life the way you want it to be, and this money is kind of generating in the background. Right. But I just want to put a caveat in here, no passive income is truly passive. There is an initial amount of effort that you do need to put into making a passive income stream. And once you've put in the effort and you've got all your systems in place, then and only then an income can become truly passive. So just to let you know, there is a bit of hard work in the initial stages, but with that initial input and effort, what we will see is that you will build systems in place, and that will then create your passive income machine. So remember, the effort is definitely going to be worth the reward. So let's get into income stream number 1. Print on demand. Okay, this is one of the most popular ways any designer can make a passive income. In all honesty, print on demand was made for designers. You can print your own products such as t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, posters, cards. I mean, I've actually tried this in the past, and I actually started it during COVID. It was not as successful as I wanted it to be due to the fact that postage was an absolute nightmare during the peak COVID times. And I kind of gave up with the business idea because I didn't think it was something I was really passionate about, as I was just trying to make a quick quid with print on demand. But if I was to do this again, I would definitely try and do something that I was really passionate about designing, potentially Marvel or Pokemon. Obviously, these are copywritten entities, so try and do something along those lines without getting copywritten and your company getting shut down. And a couple of the platforms that you should look out for are Printify, Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring. And there are many more online. Just type in print on demand services and there'll be a bunch out there. But these 4 are kind of well known. Now, the benefits of having a print-on-demand service is you do not need to keep any stock or any inventory in your house or get a warehouse for this. All you need to do is set up your system in place on your Printify store. You can even sell it on your own website. There's very low barriers to entry to do this. So whenever a customer purchases a product, the print-on-demand company will take care of the whole journey. They'll do the printing, the packaging, the delivery, and the shipping. So you can sit back and relax and just collect the money and the profits. What an easy life. Passive income stream number 2, digital products. Another great way for designers to make a passive income stream, and I've seen a rise in 2024 of this one specifically, is digital products. And this feels like it's just purely made for designers, as you have all the skills to make any digital products you want. This could be anything from graphic design templates to social media kits to logos or digital artworks, or you could even make guides on how to design or show your processes, and people will buy these because a lot of people want to know knowledge. And once you've created your digital products, you can sell it on any website such as Etsy or Gumroad, or maybe you want to start your own website using Shopify. And don't worry, I am not sponsored by anyone I've mentioned in this video. I am obviously starting out, but if you want to, you can message them and let them know that I do need a sponsor. Anyway, the best part about setting up a digital product is once everything is set in place and all the systems, I keep mentioning systems, are ready, you'll never need to look at these again. You can obviously offer such things as updates to your guides or courses if you do decide to make one, but these are timeless products that can be bought over and over and over again. And this does not require any additional effort from your part. Passive income stream number 3, affiliate marketing. Now you're probably like, affiliate marketing? Ritesh, I am not an affiliate marketer. I am a designer. How does this relate to me and my situation? Well, I'm gonna get into it. So affiliate marketing is a great way for designers to set up and generate a passive income stream. This is by promoting products and services through other companies, earning you a commission when everyone buys through your link. This is actually truly passive, as you will make money while you sleep. Like, you do not really need to put in any effort other than literally copy the link, paste it into the relevant channels you want it to be on, and just hope that your customers, audience, or people that visit your blog or website or wherever it may be where your link is, they will buy and then they will give you the commission. But there is a slight caveat to this. So I've looked into affiliate marketing and I do think it is a great passive income source. But one of the things I do think about it is that you do need a good amount of followers or reach to get some type of sustainable and larger income from this, as some of the percentages are quite small. And I don't want to be these guys like, oh, you can make millions from affiliate marketing. You do need a following, you do need some sort of distribution channel where it's going to reach a lot of people, and then you know they're going to click those links from yourself. So this again doesn't require a lot of work once you have the right systems in place, but one of the systems I think you will need to do for this, if you want to truly go down this path, is start a social media following or some type of area where you can get a lot of people. It could be social media, it could be a blog, it could be a website. Just know that you need to get a lot of traffic to make some money through affiliate marketing. Passive income for designers, number 4, one that I've not actually seen a lot of people mention, so I'm excited to get into this one, licensing. Now, when I mean licensing, let's take it this way. You're a really talented designer and you may have a unique style. So this is where you can sell your designs on to companies that are much larger to use your designs on certain things such as clothing, home decor, or even stationery. It's endless, like companies like in the UK such as Asda, Tesco, Sainsbury's, or any other large retailers. And let's take, for example, Walmart or TK Maxx that are worldwide. These companies will then pay you for any of your designs that are used on products they sell. This by far is one of the most lucrative ways to make money as a designer, depending on the contract you have with the retailer and also how popular you get with the retailer. Maybe they just want your design on one thing, but if they start adding it to a bunch of different items within the store, then you'll get royalties on every single one of these. Then you can make a ton of money once you put the work in passively. Right, where are we up to here? Passive income number 5, stock photography. Now as designers, people think we only do the design work that we do on Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop or any type of graphics. But I do know as a designer myself, we have many other creative avenues we like to express ourselves. And one of those is photography. And a lot of designers that I know do have a love for photography. And photography is one of those things that you'll be doing all the time, especially if you go on holiday. And selling these stock photos can be a great way to make a passive income. And by uploading these high quality photos that you take to certain stock sites such as Shutterstock and I think Adobe Stock, and there are many more online, you can earn money every time someone downloads or purchases your image. And this can be a great way to monetize your photography skill. And as this is something you're probably already doing in your day-to-day, and if you're really skilled at this and you actually pick a photography niche where a lot of people are looking for those types of images, you'll make a ton of money from this and you'll still be capturing beautiful images that you are already doing. But this is passive in a different way because you will be doing this regardless. So why not make some money from it? Passive income number 6, create a blog. Now again, as designers, we do have a lot of other creative passions, as I mentioned with the photography, and one of those could be to write. And regarding writing, you may have a lot of knowledge to share, and let's stick in the design realm. And maybe you've been in the industry for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, or 20 years. No matter how long you have been, maybe you have a lot of knowledge to share, whether it's how to manage teams, how to do certain design tasks, or maybe just what it's like to be a designer in this modern world. See, creating a blog can be a great way to earn money while sharing your expertise with the world by writing valuable content around design-related topics, like tutorials, tips, or industry news even. You can attract a loyal audience or monetize this through your blog by advertising or sponsored content on the blog. Or we could go back to some of our previous passive incomes, such as affiliate marketing or digital products, or offering your services as a designer. And as you can see with this blog, for example, you can tie a lot of your income streams together and then really start to generate a lot of income that can make you financially free. Passive income number 7, last but not least, but one of the greatest passive income, not just for designers, but for pretty much anyone, YouTube. Now, if you're a designer that's really comfortable in front of the camera, and believe you me, it is not easy. It's one of those things that you have to get comfortable with, and I think anyone that presses record and speaks to a camera, I have so much respect for them. And as you can see by watching this video, this is something I'm doing myself, as YouTube is a fantastic way to make passive income. And a lot of people think you need this huge following with hundreds of thousands of followers to even start seeing a bit of money. But even with a small audience, you can reach a ton of people and create different avenues through YouTube to make money. So if you're a designer, you can start creating video topics around tutorials or speed art, or maybe you're a bit of a knowledge buff and you can do some industry insights. And then by doing this, you can attract a following that you can monetize. And this could be through many things such as advertising, brand deals. Obviously, if you do get a lot of views, the YouTube AdSense will pay you a fair share amount of money as well. Again, a theme of this video is you can then start adding your other passive income streams to your YouTube setup, such as selling your digital products or affiliate marketing. Or maybe YouTube's a way for you to get more clients and have more eyes on you. And this is a great way for potential future clients to see you and reach out to you and offer you some paid work, which is not passive, but it could strike you a very financially rewarding job. Another thing with YouTube is it's a great place for you to build your personal brand as a designer, and you'll be able to connect with a global audience and not just your vicinity. And this audience could be just as crazy and enthusiastic about design as you, and you'll be able to spill your passion into this as well. So it's not going to be something that feels like a job, it's going to be something that you're enjoying. But if you keep going and going and going, what's going to happen is eventually you will grow a larger audience. And with the larger audience, companies are going to be throwing money at you just so you can talk about their products to your audience. So there we have it, the 7 income streams for any graphic designer to make a lot of money in 2024 passively. But the main thing with this video is I do not want you to watch this and then just go on to the next video on how to make the next passive income stream. I want you to take one of these today and genuinely look into it and start that today. I know you're trying to make a big impact in 2024 and we're already partially into the year. So this way, I really want you to grab the bull by the horns, I guess that's a saying, and start today. Stop watching YouTube video after YouTube video, get onto it. And I really want this to be a big year for you and for myself. But just to summarize, what we've looked at today is every possible income stream for a designer. Maybe I missed one, but if I have, please leave it in the comments below. But you can see there are countless ways in 2024 that you can make some passive income. Also make a living of doing what you love, which is what we all want eventually. The opportunities of generating passive income as a designer are truly endless, and I think you should really look at yourself and be proud of where you are right now in your life and where you can be, because you've picked a great career choice. So what I would do is take these income streams, have a look at these, embrace these, and they are not super difficult. These also can be part of your day-to-day life. You're probably always designing, you're probably always taking photography, you probably have your own website and your own social media following. So take these income ideas, add them to your day-to-day life, and you'll see 2024 be your biggest year so far. If you found any of this useful, please drop me a follow, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. I will be taking these ideas and breaking them down even further in future videos. I just want to say, get creative today and start your design empire today. You've got it in you, you definitely can do it, and together we're going to achieve it. 2024 is the year. Right, and I'll see you in the next one, which will probably be here if it's already out. Take care.